This video is about a Boker Plus knife, how it functions. I bought it about a year back and somebody misused it and the switching mechanism has stopped functioning. I could not find any details on the web, so I opened the knife. Now when you look closely, you see a lever, small lever on the left hand side. It has got bent. Now it's very difficult to straighten it, but I will still try. I don't know how what will be successful, but at least you can see what are all the internals. The knife sits on the black handle and the white handle comes on top and fitted by the 3 screws here. One big screw and 2 small screws. The tool used is this electronic screwdriver, one big bit and 2 small bit. I hope this video will be useful to people who want to open the Boker Plus knife.